The construction of a monumental mosque always begins with planning and engineering analysis. Architects first prepare detailed blueprints showing floor plans, courtyards, prayer halls, domes, and minarets. Engineers calculate load distribution, column spacing, and dome curvature to ensure structural stability. Material selection is the next step. Marble is chosen for flooring, sandstone for walls, reinforced concrete for the foundation, and steel for internal support. Each material is tested for durability, weight tolerance, and weather resistance before approval. After planning, the design is converted into a 3D model. This digital model shows the full structure, including pillars, arches, domes, and minarets. Lighting simulations help engineers study sunlight movement, shadow behavior, and interior brightness. Any structural errors are corrected digitally before physical construction begins. Once the model is finalized, site preparation starts. The land is cleared of vegetation and debris. Bulldozers level the ground, while surveyors use laser tools to mark exact pillar and wall positions based on the 3D coordinates. Excavation begins for the foundation. Trenches are dug to the required depth. Steel reinforcement bars are placed inside to increase strength. Concrete is then poured and vibrated to remove air pockets. The foundation is left to cure properly to achieve maximum load capacity. After curing, base pillars are installed. Workers use plumb lines and spirit levels to ensure vertical alignment. Mortar is applied to secure each column. Cranes lift heavy blocks into position under supervisor control. Next, arches are constructed. Bricks are laid layer by layer. Wooden molds support curved arches during formation. Scaffolding is installed for worker safety and height access. Every section is measured to maintain symmetry and balance. Dome construction follows. The dome base is scaffolded. Steel frames are installed. Supervisors check cranes, scaffolding, worker equipment, and material handling processes to reduce risk and maintain site discipline. After structural completion, finishing work begins. Marble slabs are cut and installed on floors. Wall panels are fitted. Artisans carve decorative patterns and Islamic calligraphy. Starts. The mosque is cleaned, lighting systems tested, and access routes opened for worshippers. Men and boys enter the courtyard wearing traditional Pakistani dress. They form straight rows for prayer.